New to my channel? Hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates.
Yeah. Shawty loves it, loves that I'm a dog. They don't want it, they scared of what I know. Told you the budget, I gotta get my own. Shout out my bros, this right here deserves a toast, A lot of people back home on my back and they know. Trying to get on my line, cause the people I know. Manifest this year, 7+ on the ropes. They ain't doing this shit, tripping over my flows. I'm on the way, tell them I don't play. I'm on the move, trying to get my pay. I might just move on and watch and pray. I'm on the way, I'm on my way. Manifest this year, 7+ on the ropes. They ain't doing this shit, tripping over my flows. Shawty loves it, loves that I'm a goat.
It's a street car. It's a street car? Yes, it's a street car. Sup diecast collectors, it's your boy DCS, right back again. So, today's video, yes, I've got a different brand this time. It's from Majorette, guys, and it's a street car. Okay, it's from Street Cars from Majorette, guys, so it's a really good one. This time, we have the Mercedes-Benz SLS, guys. Okay, I'm not getting much of the Hot Wheels because the import from other countries to India has been stopped, so I'm really having a hard time finding Hot Wheels, guys, but it's okay. I've got Majorette here. Alright, guys, so this car is a really good one, and comparing the Majorette with the Hot Wheels, the Majorette cars are a bit larger in size, and when I checked under the car, it was 159 scale, so it's a bit pretty big one. If you compare it with the 164 scale Hot Wheels, it should have been much more bigger, but it looks small. Okay, comparing those later, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for all the latest video updates on all diecast, guys. Okay, so where was I again? Alright, so comparing those two Hot Wheels, no, not that. Okay, so talking about the previous video which I uploaded, that was the real versus the fake Hot Wheels between the 1955 Corvette, guys. Check it out if you haven't checked it out. It'll be up on the screen right here if you want. Alright, guys, I'll just show you around the car now. So yeah, looking at the cover itself, it doesn't seem to be so bad, but I wouldn't compare it with the Hot Wheels one because they have the whole car in the background thing, and this one's just Majorette right here and Street Cars right here and pretty blank in the front. And yeah, this is how it looks at the back. Not very impressive, but at least good. Okay, like there are many brands over here. Alright, guys, let's just unbox this car right now. Let's see what's it got. Looking at the SLS, as we have unboxed it, guys, the Mercedes-Benz SLS is out of the box, and this is how it looks. It has really good paint job, guys. That's the first thing I want to say. It has really glittery paint job. That's amazing. I really like the paint job of this car too much, And the interior is also pretty damn nice, guys. I hope you guys can see it. It is pretty nicely detailed, like the dashboard and front of it. It's kind of nice, and I like the vents too. They're deep black. It's cool, like really cool, but I don't like the windows because at the edges it looks kind of cranky. It doesn't look so good like the Hot Wheels one does. And yeah, this is how it looks at the side, guys. This is the side profile, like the 5-spoke wheels. It's damn nice. And yeah, the front, at the back, you have those tail lamps which is painted, unlike the front ones which is having the glass ones. That's cool. And it has side view mirrors, unlike some brands which I know. I meant the Hot Wheels, guys. So yeah, this is how it looks at the bottom. Yes, you have the Majorette right here and the scale over here. It's 159 scale. It's pretty bigger, and it's made in Thailand, of course. And I don't know what code is this, guys. If you know this, just comment it down below. Alright, so that's the overall look, guys. Why don't we just go for the info now? Oh, let's know more about this cool SLS, guys. The Mercedes-Benz SLS, as it is the information. And this time it's not the short wheel series, guys, so I've got the full info. Alright, moving on to the production, guys. The production actually began at 2010 and it ended up at 2014. Quite a small run because newer versions came. Alright, so talking about the body style is a two-door coupe, and the engine is a 6.2 liter M159 dual overhead cam V8, guys. Yes, the V8 engine. It's a pretty cool one. And let's see the horsepower it produces. The horsepower of this car is 583 horsepower. I thought it was 600, but yeah. Talking about the transmission, of course you guys know it, the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Well, moving on to the 0 to 60 time, guys. The 0 to 60 time of this car is 3.7 seconds, which is, let's say, okay, I guess. It's good. Well, talking about the top speed of this car is 315 kilometers per hour. That's 196 miles per hour. That's not bad, not 200, but it's good. Well, moving on to the length, guys. The length of this car is 4,638 in millimeters. Talking about the weight. The weight of this car, the curb weight of this car is 1,619 kilograms. Moving on to the width, guys. The width of this car is 1,939 millimeters. Well, that's it, guys. That is the end of the info. Alright, now it's time for the ratings. Okay, so looking at all of its performance details and of course its interior and all of the detailings done from Majorette, I give it a 9.5 out of 10, guys. Yes, it deserves that rating. Alright, do comment your ratings down below, and I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more of my Hot Wheels unboxings, and also comment your opinion down below. Alright, I'll see you all then, guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. I'll see you then. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.